You're not alone. Ever feel swamped? Deadlines loom, emails pile up. The pressure builds, and it feels like there's no end in sight. Your to-do list stretches longer than a grocery store receipt. Tasks keep adding up, and it seems impossible to catch up. We've all been there. Life gets hectic. The hustle and bustle of daily life can be overwhelming. But what if you could find a sense of calm amidst the chaos? Imagine being able to navigate through the storm with a clear mind. That's where productivity and organization swoop in to save the day. They provide the tools and techniques to manage your workload effectively. They're not about working harder, they're about working smarter. It's about making the most of your time and energy. Imagine this: feeling in control of your time, crushing your goals, and actually having space to breathe. Sounds good, right? Picture yourself confidently tackling each task with ease. By implementing simple yet powerful strategies, you can unlock your potential and achieve more than you ever thought possible. These strategies can transform your approach to work and life. Get ready to say goodbye to overwhelm and hello to a more productive, organized, and efficient you. Embrace the change and watch as your productivity soars. Time blocking. It's like having a personal assistant for your day. Here's the deal. You divide your day into blocks of time, each dedicated to a specific task or activity. Have a big project due? Block out 2 hours in the morning. Need to hit the gym? Schedule a 1-hour block in the afternoon. It's that simple. By allocating time for everything, you gain control over your schedule and minimize distractions. No more decision fatigue or wasted minutes scrolling through social media. Time blocking empowers you to prioritize what matters most and get things done. Ever hit a wall of procrastination? The Pomodoro technique is here to help. This simple yet effective method breaks down work into manageable intervals. Set a timer for 25 minutes and focus solely on your task. No distractions, no excuses. Once the timer goes off, take a short 5-minute break. Stretch, grab a coffee, or simply step away from your workspace. Repeat this cycle 4 times, then reward yourself with a longer 30-minute break. This structured approach maximizes focus, reduces mental fatigue, and keeps you motivated. Clutter isn't just about messy desks and overflowing closets, it impacts our mental clarity and well-being. Enter the KonMari method, a transformative approach to tidying up developed by Marie Kondo. The core principle? Keep only what sparks joy. Instead of decluttering by room or category, the KonMari method focuses on individual items. Hold each object in your hand and ask yourself, does this spark joy? If it does, keep it. If not, thank the item for its service and let it go. This mindful approach not only creates a more organized and serene living space, but also fosters a sense of gratitude and intentionality. In today's digital age, where technology is at the forefront of our daily lives, we're bombarded with information, tasks, and deadlines from all directions. The constant influx can make it challenging to stay focused and organized. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and lose track of things, leading to stress and decreased productivity. That's where Trello comes in, a versatile project management tool that brings order to the chaos. Trello helps you streamline your workflow and manage your tasks efficiently. Trello uses a system of boards, lists, and cards to visually organize your projects and tasks. This visual approach makes it easier to see the big picture and track progress. Create separate boards for different areas of your life, such as work, personal projects, or household chores. This way, you can keep everything compartmentalized and manageable. Within each board, create lists to represent different stages of a project or categories of tasks. For example, you can have lists for to do, in progress, and completed. Then add cards for each individual task, complete with deadlines, checklists, and attachments. This ensures that all necessary details are in one place, making it easier to stay on top of your responsibilities. Trello's intuitive interface and collaborative features make it an invaluable tool for individuals and teams alike. Whether you're working solo or with a group, Trello helps you stay organized and productive, turning chaos into order. You don't need to overhaul your entire life to boost your productivity and organization. Sometimes it's the smallest changes that make the biggest difference. By focusing on simple, actionable steps, you can create a more efficient and organized daily routine without feeling overwhelmed. Here are a few simple yet effective tips to incorporate into your daily routine. The 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. This small habit can significantly reduce the clutter in your to-do list and free up mental space. This prevents small tasks from piling up and creating unnecessary stress. The nightly reset. Take a few minutes each evening to tidy up your workspace, review your schedule for the next day, and prepare anything you need to get a head start in the morning. This simple practice can help you start your day with a clear mind and a focused plan. The power of no. Learn to set boundaries and politely decline requests that don't align with your priorities or available time. Saying no can be difficult, but it's essential for maintaining your productivity and ensuring that you have the time and energy to focus on what truly matters. By implementing these small changes consistently, you'll gradually build positive habits that lead to a more productive and fulfilling life. Remember, it's not about making drastic changes overnight, but about making small, manageable adjustments that add up over time. Start with 1 or 2 tips and gradually incorporate more as you feel comfortable. Remember, productivity, organization, and efficiency are not destinations, but ongoing journeys. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, and what works for one person may not work for another. Embrace the process of experimentation and find what resonates best with your unique working style and lifestyle. Don't be afraid to try new tools, techniques, or strategies. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. There will be days when you feel like you're crushing it, and others when you feel like you're barely keeping your head above water. That's perfectly normal. The key is to approach each day with a positive attitude and a willingness to learn and grow. You have the power to unlock your full potential and achieve amazing things. By implementing the strategies and tips outlined in this essay, you can take control of your time, streamline your tasks, and create a more productive, organized, and fulfilling life. So, what are you waiting for? Start small, be consistent, and watch as you transform your life one task at a time. The world is yours to conquer,